DataCamp Review, the ultimate learning platform for data skills. Welcome to our comprehensive review of DataCamp, the go-to platform for mastering data skills. Whether you're a beginner or looking to advance your career, DataCamp has tools and courses designed just for you. So, what is DataCamp? It's an online learning platform dedicated to teaching data science, analytics, and programming skills. With interactive lessons, hands-on projects, and cutting-edge AI tools, DataCamp makes learning data skills accessible to everyone. How does it work? It's simple. Sign up, select your learning path, like Python, SQL, or machine learning, and start completing bite-sized lessons and real-world projects. With its user-friendly interface and instant feedback, you'll progress quickly and confidently. One standout feature is DataCamp's AI software, which personalizes your learning experience by adapting courses to your progress. Dive into specialized tracks like DataCamp Python, perfect for beginners and advanced users alike, or DataCamp SQL, ideal for mastering database management. How does DataCamp compare to Codecademy? While both are excellent, DataCamp is laser-focused on data science and analytics, offering in-depth courses and practical projects that prepare you for the job market. Why choose DataCamp? It's flexible, affordable, and trusted by over 10 million learners worldwide. Develop industry-relevant skills, earn certifications, and build your portfolio, all at your own pace. And don't just take our word for it. On Trustpilot, 80% of users gave good reviews, praising its engaging content. Even on Reddit, 60% of users shared positive feedback, highlighting its practical approach. Ready to start learning? Now's the perfect time. Use our exclusive 50% off discount and unlock the full potential of DataCamp. So go to DataCamp today and take the first step toward mastering data skills. DataCamp, learn, apply, succeed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.